Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cannoli at home easy guide. Preheat your oven and gather flour, sugar, ricotta, eggs, and a rolling pin to start the dough. Mix ingredients until just combined and avoid overworking to keep shells flaky. Chill the dough, then roll thin and cut rounds for shaping. Fry or bake shells until golden, then cool completely before filling to preserve crispness. Warm a skillet and heat oil to a steady 350 degrees F for even frying and crisp shells free of bitterness. Roll the chilled dough very thin to about 1.5 millimeters and cut perfect circles for wrapping around forms. Fry each shell briefly until a deep golden color appears, then drain on paper towels. Let shells cool completely before removing forms to avoid breakage and to keep the texture crisp and light. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the channel to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep shells fresh and prevent cream spills when transporting desserts. They are handy for storing extra filling or finished cannoli for parties, and they save cleanup time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by draining ricotta well so the filling stays thick and does not sog the shells. Fold in powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and a little orange zest for a classic bright flavor without overpowering. Add mini chocolate chips or chopped pistachios if desired, then chill the mixture for at least 30 minutes so it firms up for neat piping. Use a pastry bag and fill shells just before serving for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.